How to enter Box 12 information on your W-2 in TaxAct. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to taxact.com. On this web page, you want to click on the option of Create Account if you do not have an account. If you do, click on the Sign In option. Then you want to enter your username. Now enter your password and click on the Agree and Sign In option. Once you click on this option and you are signed into your account, if you haven't already started your tax return, you will have to begin a new return and enter your personal information. If you have already started your return, you can continue from where you left off. When prompted, enter the information from your W-2 form into your TaxAct. This includes your employer's information, your wages, and any taxes withheld. Once you have entered your W-2 information, TaxAct will guide you through each box on the form. Look for the section that is going to ask you for the Box 12 information. TaxAct will provide you a field where you can enter the Box 12 code and corresponding amount from your W-2. These codes represent various types of compensation or benefits you may have received from your employer during the tax year. After entering the Box 12 information, TaxAct will typically give you an opportunity to review your entire W-2 form. Once you have entered all the necessary information, continue through the TaxAct prompts to complete your return. After reviewing your return and confirming that all the information is accurate, you can proceed to file your taxes. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.